In this video, the Quant price is right now in the daily time frame having a retest of the neckline from this massive double bottom pattern which we have spotted for some time now in the channel. So before I tell you what this means for the Quant price in the immediate short term, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to consider subscribing to the channel. Only takes like 2 seconds of your time and it really means a lot to me. So let's begin. So yeah, right now in the daily time frame, if you guys have been following the channel, of course you guys know we have spotted this massive double bottom pattern right here. I mentioned the target, so let me reiterate the target. I said if we do break above the neckline at the $131 level, then I'm expecting another pump that's gonna bring us to a price target of 170 US dollars. So yeah, right now it looks like the Quant price in the daily time frame is having some sort of retest right here. Yes, it's having a retest of the neckline of this massive double bottom pattern. Yes, so this is bullish, of course, but I'll explain to you guys, or I'll tell you guys the two scenarios which I have in mind right now. The first scenario is the bullish scenario, which is of course this retest that we're talking about. We broke above the neckline, we had a breakout, and now we're having a retest of the neckline before actually continuing to our price target of 170 US dollars. That is the first scenario. Now the bearish scenario is if the Quant price fails to hold this neckline or this level, which is the 131 US dollar level, as support. So yeah, I am going to flip bearish if we actually fail to hold $131 as support, because right now this is a very crucial level, because if we hold this level, this is going to determine Quant's future bullish price action. So it is very important right now for Quant to stay above 131 US dollars, because again, if we fail to hold 131 US dollars as support, I may have to flip bearish. Yes, because keep in mind right now we are hovering inside a major resistance zone here from 133 US dollars to 146 US dollars. So if this is a successful retest of the neckline, I would want to see the Quant price immediately break resistance at 146 US dollars. That's the confirmation that we may be continuing to our price target of 170 US dollars right here. So again, the confirmation, we must break above 146 US dollars because that's also acting as resistance, and we must stay above the 131 US dollar level, because of course this is acting as support right now. If we fail to hold support, this may mean that we may be expecting bearish price action for the Quant price in the immediate short term. Yes, so now let us move to the weekly time frame, because right now it looks like the Quant price is forming some bullish price action right here as well. Yes, so I mentioned two scenarios in the weekly as well. I mentioned that I mentioned the bearish scenario, which is this head and shoulders pattern, and I said the neckline is at 92 US dollars. If we fail to hold 92 US dollars and break below it, we may be seeing 50 US dollars, therefore invalidating this 5-wave move that we have plotted to the upside right here. But based on the recent price action right here, it looks like the Quant price is set for the wave 3, targeted at 400 US dollars. I measured the move by bringing out the fib extension, and it essentially shows us the targets. So yeah, right now I am expecting Quant to continue to the upside for the wave 3. But again, if we go back to the daily time frame, and like I've said, if Quant fails to hold 131 US dollars as support, then I may be switching to the bearish scenario, and this may be instead a corrective move to the upside right here. That may look something like this: a move down, a corrective wave to the upside before continuing to the downside. Yeah, it is very important right now for the Quant price to stay above 131 US dollars, because again, that is the neckline of this massive double bottom pattern right here. And if we break below 131 US dollars, this may invalidate this double bottom pattern, and that may instead signify that the bottom was not yet in, and we may be forming lower lows for the Quant price. So stay above 131 US dollars, and basically we are on track for higher prices. Yes. If you guys want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, don't forget to sign up on Bybit using my affiliate link, and you guys can get up to $30,000 in bonus as well as 0 fees. And don't forget to join my Discord server where I post daily market signals and updates to my videos. Watch this video that's being displayed on the screen right now.